Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add voiceover in CapCut. So if you want to add your own voice or record your voice into your edited video and CapCut, what you need to do is just head to the audio tab at the bottom and find this record with microphone icon. Okay, so you can just tap or press and hold to start recording the voice. Just click on the screen button right here and it will come down and you can just start talking to the microphone and it will be recorded and added to the video that you add to CapCut. To stop, just click on the green button again, then click on the check icon and the recording will be saved, and this will be the result. You can see the voice has been saved, and if you want to do some adjustment, you can just click on the audio. You can add some fade effect, you can also split the voice over, adjust the volume, or add some voice effect, or also reduce the noise and adjust the speed. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope this will be helpful, so don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks button. Bye.